One of the things I love about cooking is that there's always something new to learn every day. Start off with the stuff. It's amazing how exciting a stuffed roast chicken can be because it keeps the chicken incredibly moist and gives delicious texture inside the bird. I'm going to start off with cured chorizo. This is a traditional Spanish sausage and it's garlicky, spicy, incredibly meaty. That gives a little bit of sort of richness to the stuffing. Get that chorizo in. Start cooking that down and getting all those oils out. Right, onions chopped.
Add the onions to the chorizo, and in a matter of seconds, they'll change colour as they soak up all the flavour.
Garlic. Garlic in. Fresh thyme. Just hold it down and get your fingers on there. And it's a really nice way of taking off all those nice fragrant little thyme flowers.
These are cannellini beans.
They're waxy, very soft, and so delicious. But they're going to take on all that juice as well from the chorizo. I'm going to season them now. I mean, that looks like it's a dish on its own. Good enough to eat now. I want to sweeten things up a little bit. Tomatoes, half dried, in. That sweetens up the stuffing. Beautiful. The stuffing's ready. Look at the colour of everything. It looks Spanish, it looks delicious. Now, stuffing the chicken. I like taking off these little knuckles. As the chicken cooks, the skin stretches over the bone. You can get a really nice drum. Salt, pepper. So important. Now, with your stuffing, I want to go right inside the chicken. Push it down. This really helps to cook the bird evenly because you're pushing out all the empty spaces in the carcass. Take a nice, large lemon. Push the lemon in, pick up the parson's nose, all the skin over. Olive oil on top. Salt and pepper. A teaspoon of paprika. Sprinkle it on, and then get your hands and sort of rub that in. You see what the paprika's doing to the chicken. It's not even roasted yet, but it looks delicious. 400 ml of white wine. Same quantity of water. That helps the chicken to steam. Chicken in.
Make sure the foil is folded tightly around the roasting tray so the chicken steams in the oven, keeping it moist and juicy.
Into the oven.
Cook for 1 hour at 180 degrees with the foil on.
Look at that. It's so important to make sure you take that tinfoil off with half an hour to go. Beautiful. Pierce that open. Squeeze it in, that delicious gravy. Mix that into the tray. That's really nice, fragrant, lemony, spiced, roasting juices. Before we cut up the chicken, take out that amazing stuffing. Incredible. I'd have that with chicken over potatoes any day. And then just get your chicken roasting juices. Now, to cut chicken up, hold the drum and slice straight through. And there's that wonderful, through the wishbone, off. Slice with the point at an angle so you can see the texture of that amazing roast chicken. Just take my cooking juices. Just want to give a really nice sort of lemony flavour over my chicken. And there you go. A delicious, very charming stuffed roast chicken.